Every time you hit the ignition, chaos erupts. Metal clashes, pistons roar, and heat rises fast. And in that instant, your entire engine bets its life over one thing: oil. But here's what no one tells you: not every oil is the same. And synthetic oil isn't just smoother, it's smarter. It fights friction, crushes heat, and shields every moving part like armor. Mechanics won't say it out loud, because the truth might just kill their business. So stick around, because what's hiding inside that glossy bottle could be the one secret keeping your engine alive, or the reason it dies early. Ready to find out the truth? Let's get started. Number 11. The real difference between synthetic and conventional oil. They might look the same sitting on a shelf, but inside, they're worlds apart. Conventional oil comes straight from crude, and its molecules are scattered and inconsistent. That messy mix doesn't spread evenly, so friction builds up, heat breaks it down faster, and sludge sneaks into places you don't want it. Over time, that chaos slowly wears your engine down, 1 mile at a time. Synthetic oil plays a smarter game. It's built in a lab, and every molecule is shaped with purpose. That precision helps it flow smoothly, cut down friction, and stay strong even when the engine's working hard. It also holds its stability much longer, resisting breakdown up to 50% better. The payoff is clear: cleaner parts, fewer deposits, and stronger protection mile after mile. It's proof that when it comes to engine health, what's inside the bottle makes all the difference. And once you understand that difference, the next question is obvious. If synthetic is so much better, is a blend worth it? Or should you go all in? Number 10. Synthetic blend versus full synthetic. When you browse the oil aisle, you'll notice two popular options sitting side by side: synthetic blends and full synthetic. A synthetic blend is basically a mix of conventional oil with a portion of synthetic. It's sold as the best of both worlds: more protection than basic oil, and a lower price than full synthetic. But the tricky part is that companies rarely reveal how much synthetic you're actually getting, so that middle ground might be thinner than it seems. While blends do improve resistance to heat and oxidation, they still can't match what a full synthetic delivers. When engines face high temperatures, heavy loads, or long hours on the road, full synthetic proves why it's worth it. It lasts longer, protects better, and keeps the engine running smoother. And since the price difference is usually small, choosing full synthetic often means saving money in the long run, and saving your engine from unnecessary wear. But engine wear also relies on temperature, and that's where synthetic oil shows just how tough it really is. Number 9. Why synthetic oil excels in extreme temperatures. Engines don't get an easy life. They're freezing on winter mornings, boiling in summer traffic, and pushed hard on long highway runs. Conventional oil can't keep up with all that abuse. When it's cold, it thickens and slows down, leaving engine parts unprotected right when they need it most. When it's hot, it thins out and starts breaking down, losing that protective layer you paid for. Synthetic oil handles extremes like a pro. Its molecules stay stable, so it flows fast on cold mornings and coats every part from the moment you turn the key. In intense heat, it keeps its strength even above 450 Fahrenheit, protecting the engine when conventional oil would be struggling. That means quicker starts, smoother drives, and an engine that keeps running strong no matter what the weather throws at it. And speaking of strength, age is another test. Can synthetic oil still make a difference once your engine has crossed the 6-figure mark? Number 8. Why high mileage engines still benefit. Many people think older engines should stay on conventional oil, but that's outdated advice. Modern high mileage synthetic oils are designed to give aging engines a second life. As engines get older, seals and gaskets start to dry out and shrink. This leads to small leaks and higher oil consumption. High mileage synthetics fix that by using special conditioners that rehydrate those seals and help them expand again, cutting down leaks and oil burn. They also hold their viscosity far better, so worn bearings and rings still get the steady protection they need. And over time, synthetic oil slowly cleans away old sludge and keeps new deposits from forming. The only real caution is with engines that have been badly neglected. If they're already full of sludge, switching too fast can reveal hidden leaks, so it's better to transition slowly. But for any well-maintained engine, synthetic oil is one of the simplest ways to push past 100,000 miles and keep things running strong. But even the strongest oil faces its toughest challenge in the very first seconds after you start the car. Number 7. Cold start protection. Engines don't suffer most of their wear while cruising. The real damage happens in the first few seconds after you turn the key. That's when the engine is almost dry and metal parts are rubbing without full protection. Conventional oil makes that worse by thickening in cold weather, so it takes longer to reach where it's needed. While synthetic oil behaves differently. It stays fluid even in freezing conditions, and many top-quality synthetics flow easily at -40 degrees Fahrenheit. That means bearings, pistons, and cylinders get coated almost instantly, cutting down those risky dry seconds. Tests consistently show synthetic oil outperforming conventional by a wide margin in these cold start scenarios. Faster flow means less metal grinding and a much longer engine life. And it's not just for people in snow country. Even in mild climates, those daily startups happen more often than you think, and synthetic oil quietly protects the engine every single time. And part of that powerful protection isn't just the oil itself, it's the science hiding inside the bottle. Number 6. The power of additives inside synthetic oil. Most people think synthetic oil's magic comes from the base oil. The truth is, that's only part of the story. Up to 30% of what's inside the bottle is made of powerful additives. And they're the real reason synthetic oil works so well. Each one has a mission. Detergents and dispersants clean the engine by neutralizing acids and trapping grime before it turns into sludge. Anti-wear agents like zinc and phosphorus form a thin shield on metal parts under heavy pressure. Viscosity improvers help the oil stay smooth during cold starts, while still protecting when the engine runs hot. Antioxidants slow down thermal damage, and corrosion inhibitors keep moisture and fuel from eating away at metal surfaces. Because synthetic oil is so consistent, these additives can do their job with precision. The result is protection that lasts longer, resists thickening, and keeps performance steady. If these insights are helping you make smarter choices, now's a great time to hit like and subscribe. We reveal car secrets that can make your car last forever every week. Number 5. The myth about switching back and forth. One of the longest running myths in car care is that once you switch to synthetic oil, there's no going back. Many drivers still think using conventional oil afterward will damage the engine. That's simply not true. Engines don't get used to one type of oil. What really matters is that the oil you choose meets your vehicle's specs, the right viscosity, and proper certifications. This myth started decades ago when early synthetic oils sometimes revealed leaks. They didn't cause them. They just cleaned out sludge that had been hiding weak seals, which made existing leaks visible. Today, that's not a problem. Modern oils, whether synthetic or conventional, include seal conditioners to keep everything tight. So, switching between them is completely safe as long as you're using the correct grade. But once turbos enter the picture, oil choice becomes critical. Number 4. Why turbocharged engines demand synthetic oil. Turbochargers put oil through absolute torture. They can spin faster than 100,000 times per minute, with temperatures soaring past 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit inside the housing. In that kind of heat, conventional oil quickly gives up. When the turbo shuts off, oil left behind can literally bake into carbon, creating hard deposits known as coking. Those deposits choke oil flow, raise friction, and can eventually destroy the turbo. Synthetic oil handles that punishment with ease. Its stable structure resists heat and oxidation, keeping it intact even during shutdown. That means fewer deposits, smoother flow, and constant lubrication when it matters most. Many synthetics are even tested under extreme turbo conditions, and they outperform conventional oils every time. For turbocharged engines, synthetic oil isn't a fancy upgrade, it's a survival tool. That's why nearly every modern turbo car, from daily drivers to sports machines, comes filled with it from the factory. Skipping it might save a few bucks now, but it could cost thousands in repairs later. And speaking of costly mistakes, ignoring certifications is another one. Number 3. Understanding oil certifications and what they mean. The bold promises on the front of an oil bottle might grab your attention, but the real story is usually hiding on the back. Look for a small circle or rectangle with certifications like API, ILSAC, or DEXOS. That little mark matters more than any flashy slogan. API, or the American Petroleum Institute, ensures the oil meets basic standards for wear protection, deposit control, and fuel efficiency. ILSAC takes it a step further, focusing on modern engines with turbochargers and direct injection. Automaker-specific labels, like GM's DEXOS, push things even further, requiring oils to pass tough real engine tests before earning approval. Two bottles might both claim to be full synthetic, but only one might actually meet your engine's needs. Using uncertified oil can risk warranty coverage or cause long-term damage. And those buzzwords like premium or ultimate, they mean nothing without the right certification mark. That little symbol is the real proof that your oil will do what it promises, but not every oil is built for everyday driving. Number 2. Racing oil versus street synthetic. It's easy to think racing oil is the ultimate upgrade. If it keeps a race car alive at the track, surely it's even better for your daily ride. But that logic doesn't hold up. Racing oils and street synthetics are built for completely different jobs, and using the wrong one can actually hurt your engine. Racing oil is designed for short bursts of extreme performance. It focuses on maximum film strength and high temperature stability. It's packed with zinc and phosphorus to fight wear, but often at levels too high for street cars. Over time, those additives can damage catalytic converters. Racing oil also skips many detergents and long-term stabilizers because it's meant to be changed after only a few hours on the track. Street synthetics are built for real-world driving. They handle cold starts, short commutes, traffic jams, and long oil change intervals. They're designed to protect your engine for thousands of miles, not just a few laps around a racetrack. However, even with the right oil, you still need maintenance. Number 1. Synthetic oil still needs regular changes. One of the biggest myths in car care is that synthetic oil lasts forever. It's true that it resists breakdown far better than conventional oil, but that doesn't make it immortal. Over time, soot, unburned fuel, tiny metal particles, and moisture from condensation all find their way into the crankcase. The additives in synthetic oil, detergents, anti-wear agents, and antioxidants also get used up as they work. Once they're gone, the oil loses much of its protective strength. That's why automakers still recommend regular oil changes, usually every 5,000 to 10,000 miles, depending on how you drive. Some premium synthetics can stretch a little further, but only under ideal highway conditions. Skip oil changes altogether, and you're inviting sludge buildup, faster wear, and even warranty problems. Synthetic oil gives you breathing room, but it's not magic. It still needs freshening up to keep your engine healthy. And there you have it. Everything you need to know about synthetic oil and why you should use it. If you thought the truth about synthetic oil was surprising, wait until you see what else mechanics keep hidden under the hood. Click here for the next video and uncover the secrets that could save your car before it's too late. Thanks for watching.